My father died 2 weeks ago, and all I can think of is our last conversation. Masaya ka ba, anak? Masaya ka ba sa mga naging desisyon mo sa buhay?
Kasi yung generation nyo ganito eh. Go to this college, graduate by this age, get married by this age, have kids by this age. Gusto ko lang na hindi ako mag-regret ng anything pagdating ko sa age yun ni Dad.
Excuse me.
Diba, kailangan mag-state smart ka. Kung hindi, wala tayong kilalagyan.
I'm my mother's daughter. Who's to say na I won't end up wanting a younger man when I get to be your age?
Are you okay? It is so wrong kung si Emily ang gusto ko.
It matters sa asawa at mga anak niya.
Hindi dapat nangyari yung nangyari kagabi.
Huwag mong maliitin kung anong meron tayo. What we have is real, Emily.
This is my story. My journey of choosing me, of loving me.